How to Save $10,000 in 1 year, the ultimate guide to building multiple streams of income. You've probably heard it 1,000 times before. Save $10,000 in 1 year. It sounds like a huge challenge, right? Like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. But what if I told you it's not only possible, but completely within your reach? And in fact, there's a blueprint for doing it, step by step. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to show you exactly how you can save $10,000 in 1 year without working around the clock or stressing about it. This is about working smarter, not harder. The best part? By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started today. So, are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Before we talk about how to save, let's talk about why you need to start now. Listen. Every day you wait is another day you're not taking control of your future. And if you think the world will just hand you financial freedom, think again. If you keep pushing your goals back to tomorrow, you'll never see results. Procrastination is the silent killer of dreams. It's so easy to say, I'll start next week, but when the week ends, guess what? Nothing changes. Time is your most valuable asset. When you start today, you'll not only get closer to your $10,000 goal, but you'll also start learning the habits that will lead to a lifetime of wealth building. But here's the kicker. Not taking action is the real risk. You want to be the person who says, I did something about it. And trust me, the rewards are worth it. Now, let's talk about how to actually build that $10,000 in a year. Ready for some truth? The key to hitting your goal isn't working 70 hours a week. It's about building multiple streams of income so that the money comes to you even when you're not working. Let's break this down into 3 powerful strategies that can bring you closer to your target. 1. Freelance work. Freelancing is a perfect way to earn money on your terms. You could write, design, code, or even offer your skills as a social media manager. The internet is full of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can start getting paid for your talents today. Freelance work is flexible, and you can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 an hour, depending on the work. With just a few hours a week, that's $5,000 to $10,000 in your pocket by the end of the year. But here's the catch. It's not just about getting any job. You have to specialize, position yourself as an expert, and deliver results. When you do that, the clients will come. 2. Virtual assistants. Now, what if you could manage someone else's tasks, but still be your own boss? Virtual assistance is booming, and the beauty of this side hustle is that you can work from anywhere. From handling emails to social media, you can charge between $20 to $50 an hour, sometimes more depending on your skills. Imagine if you worked just 5 to 10 hours a week, maybe on your lunch breaks or evenings, and made $2,000 to $5,000 a month. That's powerful, and it doesn't take up all your time. 3. Affiliate marketing. Now here's where the magic happens. Affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products in exchange for commissions, is one of the easiest ways to scale your income passively. You don't have to create the product, handle customer service, or deal with returns. You just share the product, and when someone buys through your link, you make money. Imagine doing this in your spare time, sharing products you already love, and making passive income. Now I know what you're thinking. Can I really hit $10,000 in just 12 months? And I get it. It feels like a big mountain to climb. But here's the secret. Small, consistent efforts add up to huge results. If you stick to your strategy, take action every day, and stay focused, you'll be amazed at how quickly things can change. The key is consistency. And as you stack these income streams, freelance work, virtual assistants, and affiliate marketing, you'll start to see that $10,000 target become a reality. But let me leave you with this. The path to wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. What's the first step you're going to take? Will you start your freelance journey or jump into affiliate marketing? Or maybe you're thinking of offering your skills as a virtual assistant? Time is ticking. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is now. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below telling me which hustle you're going to try first, and share this with someone who needs a financial boost. Remember, wealth is built through smart decisions and consistent action. You've got this. Now it's time to make it happen.